Feeling lost in your 20s? Worried you're missing out? Here's the secret. Most guys are. But today, we're cracking the code to dominate your 20s. Get ready for a step-by-step plan to crush anxiety, unlock your potential, and build a future you'll be stoked about. No BS, no time wasting. Let's get into science-backed facts. The all work, no play fallacy. Burning the candle at both ends might seem productive, but burnout is real. Prioritize sleep, healthy habits, and activities that fuel your soul. Here's a fact. A study by the University of California, Berkeley linked chronic sleep deprivation to decreased cognitive function. Rest is key, not a luxury. The fear of failure shield. Stepping outside your comfort zone is scary, but that's where growth happens. See failures as learning experiences, not setbacks. Embrace the yet mentality. I can't do this yet. As Nelson Mandela said, the greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. Wise words to live by. The procrastination monster. Ever put off that gym membership? Again? Studies show procrastination not only hinders goals, but increases stress. Remember that time I almost missed a life-changing internship because I left applying until tomorrow? Lesson learned. Here's the science. A Stanford study found that chronic procrastinators experience higher levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. See, procrastination is a real foe, not just a bad habit. The comparison trap. Social media bombards you with unrealistic ideals. Comparing yourself to those filtered photos is a recipe for self-doubt and unhappiness. Here's the key. Focus on your own journey, your strengths, and what makes you awesome. Remember, comparison is the thief of joy, as Theodore Roosevelt wisely said. The friend zone fog. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift you. Ditch toxic relationships that drain your energy. Here's some research to back it up. A University of Michigan study suggests strong social connections lead to greater happiness and well-being. Choose your crew wisely. It matters more than you think. The investment paradox. Let's talk money. It's tempting to spend every dime you earn, but investing in yourself is crucial. Think of it like planting seeds. The earlier you start, the bigger the harvest later. Here's the breakdown. Learn a new skill. Take a relevant course, or even invest a small amount in yourself each month. Remember, knowledge and experience are two of the best investments you can make. If you're interested in a video on how I invest my money, let me know in the comment section below. The navigation maze. Life throws curveballs. Don't get lost in indecision. Learn to navigate challenges and make informed decisions. Research. Seek advice from mentors and trust your gut. Don't be afraid to course correct if needed. Your 20s are a time for exploration. Embrace the journey, even with its twists and turns. Remember, your 20s are a chance to build the life you deserve. Take control, follow the plan, and watch yourself soar.